If these lights show up on your dashboard, you don't have time to think. You need to act. In this video, I'll show you 10 dashboard warning lights that can cause serious or even permanent damage to your car if you ignore them. Let's get started. Number 1. Engine oil pressure light. This one looks like an old-fashioned oil can with a drip. It means your engine oil pressure is dangerously low. Without oil pressure, the moving parts inside your engine, pistons, bearings, camshafts, start grinding metal against metal. In just a few minutes, you could blow the engine completely. What to do? Pull over immediately in a safe spot. Turn off the engine. Check your oil level if it's low. Top it up with the correct oil type. If the light stays on after adding oil, call for a tow. Driving further will destroy the engine. Number 2. Engine temperature warning. This is a thermometer icon over wavy lines. It means your engine is overheating, usually because of low coolant, a broken radiator fan, or a stuck thermostat. Overheating can warp the cylinder head, blow the head gasket, and cause massive repair bills. What to do? Stop the car and shut off the engine. Let it cool for at least 30 minutes before opening the radiator cap. Check coolant level and refill if low. If overheating continues, don't drive, get it towed. Number 3. Battery/charging system. Light shaped like a car battery, this light means your alternator isn't charging the battery. Your car will run only until the battery drains, then everything shuts down, including your engine. What to do? Turn off unnecessary electrical items, AC, radio, lights. Drive to the nearest repair shop while the car still has power. If the light comes on with dimming lights or slow wipers, you may only have minutes before the car stalls. Number 4. Brake system warning. This is a circle with an exclamation mark or the word brake. It means low brake fluid or a serious brake fault. In some cases, it's just your handbrake, but if it stays on while driving, stop immediately. What to do? Check your brake fluid level. If low, refill. If fluid is fine, don't keep driving. You could lose braking completely. Number 5. ABS warning. Light. ABS stands for anti-lock braking system. If the ABS light comes on, your normal brakes still work, but in an emergency stop, the wheels might lock up, causing loss of steering control. On slippery roads, this is especially dangerous. What to do? Drive slower and keep a safe distance. Fix it as soon as possible before you need it. Number 6. Flashing check engine light. A steady check engine light means a minor fault, but a flashing one is an emergency. It usually means a severe engine misfire. Unburnt fuel is going into the exhaust and can destroy your catalytic converter in minutes. What to do? Slow down and pull over. Check for obvious issues like loose spark plug wires. Get it scanned with an OBD2 tool immediately. Number 7. Transmission temperature light. This light, shaped like a gear with a thermometer, means your transmission fluid is overheating. This is common when towing heavy loads or driving in extreme heat. If ignored, the fluid can burn, the gears can slip, and the transmission can fail. What to do? Stop the car and let it cool. Check fluid level and color. Burnt smell or dark color means it's bad. Avoid heavy loads until it's fixed. Number 8. Power steering warning light. A steering wheel icon, or the letters EPS, means you might lose power steering assist. You can still steer, but it will be very heavy, especially at low speeds, which can be dangerous in traffic. What to do? If hydraulic, check fluid level. If electric, get it scanned for fault codes. Avoid tight turns until repaired. Number 9. Airbag, JOTCH, SRS, warning, light. This shows a person with an airbag in front. It means your airbag system has a fault. They might not deploy in a crash, or worse, deploy at the wrong time. What to do? Get it checked immediately. Airbags are a key safety feature. Number 10. Diesel Particulate Filter, DPF. Warning: a box with dots inside means your diesel particulate filter is clogged. If you keep driving, exhaust gases get blocked, engine power drops, and expensive damage follows. What to do? If safe, drive at highway speeds for 15 to 20 minutes to allow regeneration. If light stays on, get a forced regeneration or cleaning done at a shop. Your dashboard is your car's way of talking to you, and sometimes it's screaming for help. Ignore these lights, and you could be facing a repair bill bigger than your car's value. If this video saved you from trouble, smash that like button, subscribe to Autofix, and share this with a friend who drives. Until next time, drive safe and stay alert.